Looking for powerful sound that transforms your living room into a concert hall? Today, we're exploring the best tower speakers for music, designed to deliver deep bass, crystal clear highs, and immersive audio for every listener. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Yenjuty Tower Speakers for Music. The Yenjuty Tower Speakers for Music stand out as a versatile choice for anyone seeking immersive audio with flexible design. Unlike traditional bulky tower speakers, this model offers a unique 2-in-1 detachable soundbar design, allowing you to split it into 2 standalone tower speakers for a full surround sound effect or combine them into one sleek soundbar that fits neatly under a TV or can even be wall-mounted. This flexibility makes it suitable for users who want to enjoy deep, room-filling sound without sacrificing valuable space. Powered by 100W output and 6 audio components, 2 full-range speakers, 2 tweeters, and 2 bass diaphragms, the Yenjuty ensures balanced audio with thumping bass and crisp highs, ideal for movies, gaming, and of course music. The inclusion of Bluetooth 5.3 means connections are stable and fast, ensuring your favorite songs or movie dialogue stream seamlessly. Connectivity is further expanded with AUX, USB, optical, and ARC options, making it compatible with nearly any modern device. You can also switch between 3 EQ modes, music, movie, or game, for a tailored listening experience depending on your content. The control system is user-friendly, offering both physical buttons and a remote with customizable audio settings. If the system prompts feel distracting, you can easily mute them with a single click. Number 2. KMAG Tower Speakers for Music. If you're looking for a tower speaker that can transform any space into a high-energy party, the KMAG Tower Speakers for Music deliver impressive power and style. With an output of 260W, these speakers are designed to provide booming bass and crystal clear sound that can easily fill large rooms or outdoor spaces. The system includes 4 high-performance drivers that ensure balance between lows, mids, and highs, making music sound alive and dynamic. One of its standout features is the Bluetooth 5.3 upgrade, which guarantees stable and fast wireless connections. Pairing your phone, tablet, or even a Bluetooth projector takes only seconds, making it incredibly convenient for casual listening or setting up a private home theater experience. For added fun, the KMAG integrates 6 RGB lighting modes that synchronize with the beat of your music, creating an immersive light show perfect for parties, gatherings, or simply enjoying music in a vibrant atmosphere. With up to 15 hours of playtime on a single charge, this speaker is built to keep the music going, and its splash-proof and dust-proof build ensures it's reliable for outdoor adventures like camping or pool parties. Another impressive aspect is its TWS capability, which allows you to pair 2 identical units for true 360-degree stereo sound, enhancing your soundstage dramatically. It also features multiple input options including 2 mic interfaces, AUX, and USB, making it suitable for karaoke, guitar sessions, or simple TV connectivity. Rugged, powerful, and versatile, the KMAG Tower Speakers for Music strike an excellent balance between entertainment and practicality, making them a must-have for music enthusiasts and party lovers alike. Number 3. OHAYO Tower Speakers for Music. The OHAYO Tower Speakers for Music are designed for users who want premium sound in a compact, space-saving design. These bookshelf-style speakers combine modern aesthetics with advanced audio performance, making them ideal for desktops, gaming stations, or small living rooms. Despite their smaller size, they deliver an impressive 30W(x)2 of distortion-free sound, capable of filling a space of up to 50 square meters with clear and rich audio. Built with a carbon fiber silk dome tweeter and a 3-inch carbon fiber full-range driver, the OHAYO provides crystal clear highs and rich mid-bass tones that make music listening highly enjoyable. The rear bass port enhances low frequencies, ensuring that even compact speakers deliver depth and warmth. The inclusion of an independent sound card adds another layer of clarity, reducing distortions for smooth audio playback whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming. Crafted from premium MDF wood, the enclosure is both stylish and functional, reducing resonance for a cleaner, more professional sound profile. The design is durable and long-lasting, ensuring consistent performance over time. Connectivity is also versatile, with Bluetooth 5.3 providing seamless wireless streaming and additional inputs, including RCA, AUX, and USB, to support multiple devices. Convenient volume controls are placed on the front panel for quick adjustments, making them practical for everyday use. Number 4. Pyle Tower Speakers for Music. The Pyle Tower Speakers for Music are a comprehensive event-ready sound system built to handle both personal and professional audio needs. Unlike typical home speakers, this kit comes as a complete package that includes an active speaker, a passive speaker, 2 stands, a wired microphone, and remote control. With 350W RMS power and a peak output of 700W, these speakers deliver room-shaking sound, making them suitable for live performances, karaoke, parties, and large gatherings. Featuring 8-inch woofers and 1-inch compression tweeters, they reproduce powerful bass and crisp treble, ensuring all genres of music, from electronic beats to acoustic performances, sound clear and dynamic. Bluetooth connectivity makes it easy to stream wirelessly from smartphones, tablets, or laptops, while multiple input options expand usability. These include USB and SD card playback, AUX input, XLR microphone input, and speaker stand mounts, making it versatile for DJs, MCs, and casual users alike. The system is portable enough for outdoor events, allowing you to bring concert-like sound to your backyard, park, or community gathering. Its rugged design and easy setup make it ideal for users who need professional-grade audio without complicated installation. The included microphone makes it a great choice for speeches, announcements, or karaoke nights, while the remote control allows convenient operation from a distance. Number 5. Sony Tower Speakers for Music. Sony has long been a leader in audio technology, and the Sony Tower Speakers for Music are a testament to that legacy. These floor-standing speakers are designed to provide audiophiles and casual listeners alike with a premium sound experience. Built with a 3-way coaxial 4-driver system, the speaker delivers full-range audio that enhances music, movies, and gaming. The inclusion of a 3/4-inch super tweeter and a 1-inch tweeter ensures high-frequency sounds are reproduced with accuracy, creating an expansive soundstage where every detail feels alive. Complementing this is the dual 5.12-inch woofers, which provide deep, stable bass along with a detailed mid-range, striking a balance that makes both vocals and instrumentals shine. With a maximum input power of 145W, the Sony Tower speakers are powerful enough to serve as the centerpiece of a home theater system. They also integrate seamlessly into Sony's CS lineup, allowing you to build a robust 5.1.2 setup perfect for Dolby Atmos experiences. This makes them not just standalone speakers, but part of a larger high-fidelity ecosystem for those seeking ultimate immersion. The crossover componentry is carefully optimized to reduce distortion, ensuring clear, crisp sound even at higher volumes. While sold individually rather than as a pair, each unit is crafted with precision and durability, making it a long-term investment in superior sound. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.